Here we are solving radical equations, the first level. We're asked to solve, get x by itself, solve for x. The strategy here is we want to get the square root by itself. So we want to get the square root by itself. All right. So we move everything that's not attached to the square root to the other side. Go ahead and don't do your math on top of the original problem. Make sure you do it separately. So here's my problem. And then to get x by itself, I unfold the things that are attached to it. So the x is trapped by the square root sign. So I'm going to go ahead and add the 9 to both sides. Put the numbers together. So I have the square root of 3x minus 8 equals 2. All right. Now, to undo a square, we have to do the opposite. So we're trying to get rid of that grouping symbol or the square root sign. Sometimes they call it a radical. So the opposite of square root is square. What you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So the square root and the square are opposites. They undo themselves. And we're left with 3x minus 8. And 2 squared is 4. Add 8 to both sides. Put the numbers together. Trying to get x by itself. 3x equals 12. Last step, divide by 3. Divide by 3. And x equals 4. 3 goes in 12 4 times. So I just got 4 as my answer. Okay. And then they go through the process too. Let's see if the next one is any different. And this one's done exactly the same way. You're going to isolate the square root sign. You'll start by subtracting 11 from both sides. Square it, subtract 123, then divide by 7. X will be by itself. So this is done exactly the same way.